Popularly known as the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi played a key role in the Indian independence movement. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is hailed worldwide as one of the most transformative figures in the history. He fought for the rights and dignity of people throughout his life in India and South Africa. He used non-violence as a firm tool to win over the hearts and minds. Due to his immense contribution to the Indian independence movement, he was addressed as Mahatma, which stands for the Great Soul. Along with his political career, his life itself is an inspiration for many. His books, such as The Story of My Experiments with Truth and Satyagraha in South Africa, paved the foundation for transforming millions of lives. Mahatma Gandhi quotes are still being read as they have the power to bring about positive changes in the society and the way people live. Let's talk about some famous quotes by Mahatma Gandhi that have already inspired millions and I am sure will continue to transform the world. 1. It's all about an optimistic thought process. A man is nothing but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks is what he becomes. Whatever we do is a reflection of our thought process. Our mind has tremendous potential and therefore you should always think positive. 2. Forgiveness is strength. Mahatma says, one weak can never forgive, but forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. People around us are bound to make mistakes. Instead of reacting and clinging to them, one should learn to forgive and move on. 3. Actions speak louder than the words. An ounce of practice is worth 1,000 words. You may speak a lot of words, but those words won't have any meaning until you act accordingly. Thus, replicating the words into the actions is most important. 4th, small is enough. In a very gentle way, we can shake the world. You don't have to move mountains to bring about a change. Sometimes, even the smallest of the actions can induce massive transformations. 5th, concentrate on the efforts. Your efforts towards reaching a goal define how long it would take you to reach there. So, don't think about the end result too soon. Focus on the efforts instead. Mahatma says, glory lies in an attempt to reach one's goal and not in reaching it. 6th, always be ready to serve the society. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Serving others and making them happy gives a sense of satisfaction to you as well. 7. Choose your reactions. Other people's opinions about you don't matter as long as you choose to react wisely over them. Instead of getting bogged down by their opinion, you should control your reactions. As per Mahatma, you can't change how people treat you and what they say about you. All you can change is how you react to it. 8. Violence is no solution. An eye for an eye only ends up making the world blind. You will always find people going violent over here and there for the smaller issues. Gandhi, who always promoted non-violence, believes that violence is not the solution to every problem. 9th, enjoy every moment in life. To lose patience is to lose the battle. Tough times come and go, and you are here to stay. You must enjoy every moment in life and should always be curious to learn new things. 10. Patience is the power. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you are to live forever. You must be patient through thicks and thins of your life. Losing patience in tricky situations can be very fatal for you. 11th, truth is inevitable. According to Gandhi, truth does not require a majority. It remains the same regardless of the number of people who believe in it. Even if you are a minority of them, the truth is truth. 12th, making mistakes is okay. Freedom is not worth having it if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Everyone is bound to do some mistakes regardless of how perfect they are. Thus, making mistakes is absolutely okay while chasing your target. 13th, identify your needs. There is a difference between the real needs and the artificial needs. To be happy, you need to identify the difference between the two. Distinguish between the real needs and the artificial needs and control the latter. 14th, take the first step. We need not wait to see what others do. Every change needs a start. If you intend to make a significant change, you should not wait for someone else to start. Instead, you start it by yourself. 15th, serve with humility. Yes, I said humility because service without humility is selfishness and egotism. Serving people is good. However, the way you serve should not exhibit arrogance. Service should always be done with modesty. 16th, have faith in humanity. You should not lose faith in humanity on the basis of some bad experiences. Humanity was, is, and will remain immortal. No matter what, you must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, it doesn't mean that the whole ocean is dirty. 17th, begin the change with children. As per Mahatma, if we are to teach real peace in this world and if we are to carry a real war against war, we shall have to begin with our children. The brain of the person grows immensely during their childhood. So, if we have to cultivate moral values in the society, we must start from our children. 18th, love can win you battles. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. Sword for sword should not always be the way to go about in a battle. Sometimes, love can also win hearts and cause the battle to stop. 19th, start with yourself. We always want a lot of changes in the society. However, the change should first start with us and then with the society. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. 20th, love yourself. You should always prioritize yourself above anything else because you have to walk through the thick and thins of your life of your own. Above all, do not forget your duty to love yourself. 21st, don't take wisdom for granted. Situations change, so do people. Hence, don't ever take one's wisdom or lack of knowledge for granted. It is unwise to be sure of one's own wisdom. It is healthy to be reminded that the strongest might weaken and the wisest might err. 22nd, conviction is the key. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is much better than a yes that is merely uttered to please or words to avoid trouble. Things are done best when they are done with conviction. Things done without full efforts do not turn out to be the best. 23. Live life today. There are 2 days in any year that we cannot do anything. That is the yesterday and tomorrow. Past impressions and future ambitions cannot be controlled. If you want to be happy in future, start to think only about the present moment. 24th, strive to be the best. You should always analyze yourself and look to improve upon the things you are good at. The continuous effort to be the best will only lead one towards the utmost perfection. Speak only if it improves upon the silence. 25th, prefer silence over the unnecessary words. Last, Mahatma says, infinite striving to be the best is the man's duty. It is its own reward. Everything else is in God's hands. Many times, unnecessary words are the cause of confusion and disputes between people. Thus, always prefer to be silent as long as it is possible. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.